do you got on your head there? What do you got on your head? Was there a mix-up?
No, it's his head.
I don't think that's the right hat.
Yeah.
It is?
It's strange. Look it!
Oh yeah, look at that. We had a little bit of a windstorm and we need to fix the cows and the corral, and we need to fix the roof on this. Look, it collapsed. And some of the trees blew down, so we gotta fix that, huh? We gotta fix it.
Yeah.
Right here. Stand right here. Oh, you're showing the cow. Come here. Come here. Oh. Come here. Let me fix your pants here. Right.
Looking.
How's that?
It's better.
Come back here. We gotta do our introduction. I know. Introductions are boring. Hey! Why are you wearing that hat? That's a mix-up.
No.
There must be a mix-up in wardrobe. Can I give you the right hat? Can I give you the right train hat? Is your head gotten bigger? Oh! There you go. Okay, come here. All right, are you ready? Look right there in the camera.
What's gonna put there?
What do you got there? What is that? What is that?
This one.
It's a cow.
Here.
Say hi.
Hi.
Wave. All right, today, Luke and I, are you an engineer today? You look like you're an engineer. Are you a train engineer today? All right, look right here. Look in the camera. Say hi. Say hi. So today, Luke and I are going to be playing with this awesome HO train set behind us. So we're looking forward to having lots of fun, aren't we?
Okay.
We have lots of fun? Say hi. All right.
Okay.
What is it? Look at it. What is it? You want to get inside there? It's our train box. It's our train box. It's full of train parts. You want to see what's inside?
Police car.
Oh, you see a police car?
Yeah.
You want to get it out? Let's get it out.
I want to open it.
Yeah, you want to open it? Okay, here, let me help you. Let's open these. You want to get the police car out first? And go put the police car on the train track? Or on the train set? There's the police car. Get it out.
What's this?
Oh, that's some wire. So Daddy might have to wire up a whistle today. We have a Tyco whistle, and we're going to wire it up. And we're going to get it to whistle. Careful with that. We don't want to get those everywhere. No, those are little signs. You want to put one in my hand? I'll show the viewers. So they're little signs, see? For road signs.
Yeah.
Now look, you can take them and you can put them on the train track. Look.
Oh.
See, look. You put a little sign so the people can read it. See? You want to put some signs out? You want to take a few of them?
Oh, sorry.
You want me to put another one out? This one says private property, keep out. Okay. And I saw you were looking at this other one over here. You see this one? This one's full of people. You see all the little people in there? Do you want to take a person out? Whoa. Uh-oh. Be careful. Let me see. Put them right here in my hand. See, these are people. And they need to be painted. Wow, somebody has to sit down with a magnifying glass. See, what they do is they paint these so that when you paint these, you put them back in there. They look like this guy. See how he's painted? See how he's painted? He's got a little shirt and pants on. See, they painted him different colors. Put the person out on the train track.
Yeah. Oh, what's your track? Here?
Maybe not right there, but okay. And then
A church is coming over the wood and caught me on the basement.
oh, you mean he can come when the train comes? He can get on the train?
Yeah.
Oh. So here's the school bus. Do you want to put the school bus out?
Oh, dear! On the wood.
Look, in front of the school. See the kids? See the kids right there? There's the school bus right in front of the school. So those go on a train that I have. And
What?
yeah, those go on a train. The train carries those big pipes.
Huh? Why?
So he can get them to the job destination. So what happens, he delivers those to the job, and then they put the pipes together and they can build. And the train helps carry that there.
Oh.
Well, you got some more pipes here. You want these? Here's some more pipes. Yeah, you're putting them together? There you go.
Yeah. I'm making train.
You putting the pipes together?
Oh, don't fit.
Oh, turn it around the other way. You had it right. Turn it around. Yeah. Yeah. And push it on there. There you go. You got it. Yep, just like that. Big old pipe tower. Where do you want to put them?
The train goes, and the bus goes there.
You think the train goes through the pipe?
Yeah.
Like a tunnel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what these are?
What's this
Oh,
one?
be careful with that one. Those are nails.
Why?
I say be careful with that one because I don't want to pick up nails.
What's this one? What's that one?
That's for here, look.
Why?
Look on the track. See the little nails?
Huh?
See, there's little nails that hold the track down.
Huh?
See the little nails?
Huh?
And that's what those are for.
Oh.
And then this is for carrying the electricity.
Oh.
So you put them like this and they carry the electricity, see? There you go.
Oh.
You like that?
It's just stop now.
So this is how you put it together. You can see these little tabs here. See a little tab? And we're going to slide that in there like that. And slide that together like that. And there you go, Luke. Come on, you want to put another track together? Okay, so look at this track. Look. See that one?
Huh?
I'm going to put it together. Here I go.
What?
There it goes. It goes in there. See that little hole?
Why?
And it clicks together.
Whoa. On any train.
There it goes. See there?
Uh-oh. Look it. This is turn around here. Oh. I'm looking at anyone.
Okay, I can give you the train that fits on. Yeah, with the pipes inside the train car. You're gonna load them up. That's right. Oh, I don't know if that one will fit. Maybe you have to come back for that one. There you go. That's right. You see, the train is taking the cargo to where it needs to go.
The train goes here. Goes back.
Oh, you ready for the engine? All right. Let me see. I guess the engineer is ready for the engines.
Backwards. Train goes. Corner. Train goes. Baby goes. What goes? Wait.
Oh, the lights. See, the lights are on. See, this is the switch that turns the lights on and off. That's off, and that's on. See the little light by the schoolhouse?
Huh?
We got a little train box here. Okay, so I've got some engines. This is a crossing guard. We probably won't use that today, but this is pretty cool. I might show Luke that later on. And let me go ahead and get an engine out here. We got a couple engines in the bottom here. Let's got this. Luke, do you want to take this train and put it over on that table? Here's another one. Whoops. I'm going to put that train over there on that table. Santa Fe. Are they heavy? Those are the ones that got the motors in them.